So I wanted to go over a recent project that I completed for a client. And the client has multiple employees, say 15 to 20, who are like salespeople or operations people. And every Friday, they need to go and create a video in Loom and just record what happened throughout the week, things that they need to do for the upcoming week, problems they may have had. And so they record these videos and they submit it to a fill out form. So they record the video, they copy that link that they recorded, and in fill out, they have a form that they fill out every week. They add that Loom link to it, and they fill out some other information as well. And then they have to go into Salesforce and kind of resave this information into Salesforce. So, with it being 15 to 20 employees who are doing this every week, and each video can be like 5 to 10 minutes long, it's taking him, the client, about like 2 to 4 hours every single week to review all of these videos. So what he wants is a way to kind of summarize the information that comes from these videos so that if he doesn't have the time to review each and every single video, he can go to a summary document and kind of get a, you know, 5 to 10 minute read of everyone who has submitted a video for that week. So here's a process that I set up. So they go in and they fill out their fill out form, and whenever that fill out form gets submitted, it hits this endpoint, and I go through and I set various pieces of information for each one of these employees, like their Salesforce ID, their supervisor, and some other key pieces of information. And go through here and I take that Loom link that comes and hits this endpoint, and I get the transcript URL that comes along with that. I go and grab that transcript, and that transcript is kind of messy, has a bunch of different pieces of information, and so I have to go through and on the previous step, let's see right here, kind of go through and do some replacements for the messy parts. And then I also add a prompt that I'm going to put into ChatGPT, like saying, hey, your job is to create a structured summary of this person's week. And I give it different rules to follow. And he also wanted these prompts to be department specific. So he wanted the salespeople to have different points on the salespeople's prompts versus the marketing people's and the operations. So add in some additional stuff for that prompting. And so after it creates a summary using ChatGPT, then in in this I get a summary as well as some loose end items that they say that they're going to complete for the next week or whatnot. So then using that, I send an email to their supervisor saying that they completed this their Loom video and tells them about the loose ends that need to be wrapped up on. And then on Monday morning down here, I go in and we send them an email and just because they might forget stuff over the weekend and whatnot. So Monday comes, they need a little refresher. It'll send them the list of items that they said that they would complete that week. And then I also go into Salesforce and log each person's summary under like their account. So here's Salesforce. I added a Loom video, and I added summaries. You can kind of see the loose ends, key goals hit, key goals missed. So that saves them time, so they don't have to manually do that every week or even forget to do it. So that kind of wraps up this initial part where it's saving all the data to Salesforce, all the summaries, sending notifications to people. So then the next part is creating the actual summary document. So once a week, like on a Sunday or Monday, go through and grab all of the summary recaps. And then that information has to be kind of formatted and massaged a little bit more because he wants the summary to be kind of by department, and then he also wants like a team summary. So each team, like a sales team, he wants a summary of all of the salespeople's summaries. So it summarizes the summaries. And so it does that for each one of the departments. And then it also so here I'm grabbing all of the salespeople, and then I'm passing that to ChatGPT to get a summary, and then I'm also doing a overall summary of the entire team. So I'm passing everybody's summary into ChatGPT and getting a response, and then I kind of piece that information together and then create the Word doc on Microsoft OneDrive for for him to review. And this is kind of what it looks like. I'm gonna blur out most of this information here, but you can kind of get an idea. I still have more like formatting to do, but you can see like the Loom links are here, the names of all the people, and then it gives the summary of each one of the people, and then towards the bottom it has the department summaries as well. So I just wanted to hope you could kind of take away some things that are a possibility of things that you can do. And I thought this was just a cool little project that I can show off. So thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any other projects that you can think of that you can hopefully automate and save your company some time.